I may have to rethink my rating as this being my favorite glue pot. I gotta clean this up and see if I can figure out why it's decided to give up the ghost. It's not that old. Man, I hate that. I really like this glue pot. Give me a break. Not happy. Looks like it's leaked. Maybe along there. This is frustrating. I'm glad I caught it early on. I had just used it this morning. Had it empty yesterday, actually. Refilled it. I'm glad I had this container to put it in. I just finished up a gallon and had thrown the can away, so I didn't have anything else to put it into. Man, that's frustrating. Looks like it came out of this side somehow. I'm glad it was on a surface that's something I can clean up with solvents. Imagine if you'd had that sitting on the dining room table or something like that. Maybe if I let this set up and then I can use the rubber eraser to clean it off. Get a look at it. Ah. Maybe if I wait and use the, let it set up and use the eraser on this, maybe that's the best thing to do. What a mess. I'll come back when I get it cleaned up. We try to figure out what happened here. All right, 40 minutes later, I got the mess cleaned up. Combination of scraper and using the little crepe rubber eraser, elbow grease, and a few choice thoughts. And it looks like the seam here broke loose. I'm not sure what could have been done different with that. I did contact the supplier that I got this TS Boy glue pot from, Springfield Leather, and they are sending a replacement to me. I guess I'll try it again. Sure was a mess to clean up, and then it just leaves you thinking, can you trust it? So anyway, since I done a video earlier on this being my favorite glue pot, I thought I'd give an update of that challenge with it, and it's still my favorite glue pot. I'm gonna jump back in the boat and row again with the next one and see. Hopefully I don't have a similar outcome with it. I'm going to, I guess, keep it sitting in some type of a, maybe I'll get an aluminum baking tray and set it in that. I do like using it. It's a lot easier to use than this type, because you're always having to adjust the brush up and down to get it in the glue or out of the glue. And there's times when I'll use about half of one of these in a session. So this other container that holds almost a liter is really handy to use. So update you on that later. Thank you.